all done it. Found a check we forgot to deposit. Like your birthday check from Aunt Gail. Or maybe you're just unable to get out of the office early to run through the drive-thru. Mobile Deposit Capture from U.S. Community Credit Union has you covered. The process is simple. Sign in to your USCCU mobile app and prepare your check for deposit. Endorse the back of the check and include the words "for mobile deposit only" beneath your endorsement. Tap on the deposit icon and the app will guide you through taking a photo of both the front and the back of your check. Be sure to have your check against a dark background so the photos come out clearly. You'll also be asked to verify the check amount. Once you've made the confirmation, your check will be submitted for deposit into your checking account. It really is that simple. Mobile Deposit Capture from U.S. Community Credit Union, it's convenient, fast, and accurate.